Well, we read an article on Tuesday titled Combination Products Review Program, Progress and Potential, which was written, as you can see right there, by Robert Califf and Nina Hunter, both of whom work for the Food and Drug Administration. And the article provides an update on the Intercenter Consult Process Study Report, which the FDA developed last year to modernize the Combination Products Review Program. Now, this program allows the FDA to review as quickly and efficiently as possible so-called combination products. Those are increasingly making up innovative new medical product releases. Combination products, as you probably could well imagine, are those that cannot really easily be categorized by the FDA's medical product centers. For example, many pharmaceuticals can also be classified as medical devices and vice versa. Of course, it's in the interest of companies in the life sciences field to have products brought to market as quickly as they possibly can. But the FDA, you may know this, many of you may know this too, the FDA takes its role as a watchdog pretty darn seriously. And the inherent and the eternal, really, tension between speed to market and customer protection, consumer protection, is really made a lot more complicated as the distinctions between what is a drug and what is a device really begin to blur and are continually blurring faster and faster here within the life sciences field. The initial report from last year laid out commitments such as enhancing and simplifying data sharing amongst internal staff and monitoring intercenter consults. And a big part of the current progress and the next steps for these and other areas of concern are being addressed by a new intercenter consult request process that is being piloted right now. The ICCR pilot is expected to be completed in the middle of 2017, and it's going to facilitate really better understanding of standard operating procedures and cross-center cooperation and communication, along with the drafting and implementation of staff manual guides. The FDA is expected to keep its stakeholders updated on the progress of the Combination Product Review Program in the coming months. And of course, we're going to keep an eye on the story and bring it to you in upcoming issues of our Quality Digest newsletter, as well as future episodes of this show. It's a big issue. I mean, the FDA, obviously, talk about a cutting edge, innovative product development process. The FDA really is where the action's at. I mean, they need to bear in mind, of course, first and foremost, safety for customers and consumers of these drugs and implantables and medical devices. But they also need to be aware that the people that are producing these things, the companies, have a stake in the game and need to get these products in the market quickly.
And we've talked about this before, but the FAA and the Department of Transportation, they're kind of doing what the FAA isn't. The FAA, we believe, is kind of behind the ball in keeping up with the advancements in drones and so on and so forth, whereas the Food and Drug Administration and the Department of Transportation are trying to be ahead of the game and work with innovators to make sure that there is no clash between technology and law as we go forward. So
there's going to be anyway. It's inevitable. It's going to happen because there's things you can't account for. But the FDA is trying to be as forward-thinking as they can in dealing with some of these issues.
All right.